All right, guys, we're in a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to attempt the passenger side star connector, which is right behind you. So we're just going to reach in right here, pull this carpet down. There's our star connector right there. Should give you enough. This will just pop back in. You guys can see our star connector back there. We're in a passenger side right here in the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and get plugged in, and then we'll start our video. All right, we're back. We got our star connector plugged in. You see right there with our ADC 2011. Go ahead and get started here. Grab our procs. Oops, sorry, let's see if we can move that back so we can get less glare here. Ignition's off, turn our hazards on. And we're just gonna program procs. Everything else is out of the vehicle. All right, so we're gonna follow it quickly and carefully. Press and hold near the start stop button. We'll go over here. Oops, 3 keys programmed. Go ahead and see. We'll go around to the vehicle here, just to make sure it starts. I'm sure it will, but go ahead and jump in. We got our procs here on our lap. And there we are, 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee proximity.